Now we will see the design of CMOS, NOR gate, and later we'll see this design of CMOS OR gate, right? So as you know the name NOR, so it is plus combination. So for plus combination, the N transistors has to be connected in parallel and P transistors has to be connected in series. Very simple. So let me start with the VDD and I'll start with the P transistor itself. The P transistors, let me name it as A and B, they have to be in series with each other. I'll name it as A and B. Next, the N transistors has to be in parallel, and I'll name this as A and I'll name this as B, and this point I'll take the output Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar, right? This is the circuit for 2 input NOR gate and using the CMOS style. We will draw the layout for this. Very simple, just we have to do it in an opposite way like how we did for NAND gate. So let me draw the VDD and ground terminals that is using the metal layer. So I hope by now you would have got an idea how to draw a layout diagram given any combination, whether it is CMOS or NMOS, and what is the logic implementation that you have to do, whether it is parallel or series depending on the type of transistor that you use. Right. So for the below the demarcation line, we have to connect a parallel path for A and B transistor. So we have to use what layer? N plus diffusion layer and make a parallel path, and we have to put a contact cut. This contact cut is metal and N plus contact cut. Metal and N plus, and this layer will be N plus diffusion layer, right? And we have to make 2 transistors in parallel. By crossing the polysilicon layer, we get 1 transistor which I name it as transistor A, same as this, and by crossing one more polysilicon layer here, we get one more transistor which is transistor B. So now we are done with the transistors of N type, and for P type we have to connect the transistors in series. So I have to draw the P plus diffusion and put a contact cut. So this is metal and P plus contact cut, and P plus, the representation is like this. So here what I have to do, I have to draw 2 polysilicon layers like this, one below the other in series. I'll name this as transistor A and I'll name this as transistor B. Now what is left out is drain to drain connection using the metal layer. So I have to put one contact cut here. So this is metal and N plus contact cut. Let me draw it much more bigger. And here I have to draw a contact cut which is metal and N plus. This is metal and P plus contact cut, and this is metal and N plus contact cut, and I have to join them using metal layer. And if I just extend this metal layer, we can take the output, which is nothing but Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. This is very simple, right? Now we will see the design of CMOS OR gate, right? The expression will be Y is equal to A plus B. Very simple. So what we have to do, we have to design the same circuit NOR gate, and we have to place the CMOS inverter right in front of this, so that the output from this NOR gate goes and gets complemented and it becomes the OR gate, right? So first let me draw this circuit first, where we have to connect A and B in series for P type, and we have to connect A and B in parallel for N type. This becomes a VDD, and here you have the ground, right? So here you have A plus B the whole bar, and if you give this as the input to the inverter, it becomes A plus B. So I am connecting it to the input of a CMOS inverter, and here you get output as y is equal to A plus B, which is the complemented of this output, right? So this is the circuit diagram for CMOS OR gate. Now let us quickly write the layout for this. I will start with the markings of VDD and ground. VDD, and here you have the ground using the metal layer. So you have the demarcation line. So below the demarcation line, let me put two parallel paths like how we did before, and put the contact cuts. This is metal and N plus contact cut, even this is metal and N plus contact cut, and this layer will be of N plus. So we have to make two transistors here. Use the polysilicon layer and name this as A, and use one more polysilicon layer and name this as B, and here put a contact cut. This is metal and P plus contact cut, and this is P plus diffusion. So you need two transistors here, so use two polysilicon layers and name it as A and B. Okay, so put a contact cut here. So this is metal and P plus, here it is metal and N plus. Join them, and so I'll put a bigger contact cut. So join them using the metal layer. So if you extend this, you have the output A plus B the whole bar. So here what I have to draw? I have to draw a CMOS inverter. So I'll put a contact cut, and I'll just draw the P plus layer, and here I'll put one more contact cut, and I'll draw metal and N plus. I'll extend the N plus till here. All of you already know how to draw the layout for inverter. So here what we have to do? We have to use the polysilicon layer, a common polysilicon layer, right? So this becomes the polysilicon layer, making P transistor on top and N transistor at the bottom. So we'll finish off this. We'll put a contact cut so that we can join by using the metal. So use metal layer to join them and get the output. So what we have to do is we have to give the input from the previous circuit. So I'll extend this metal layer and give it as the input to this inverter, and we have to make use of a contact cut here also. So here it will be metal and poly contact cut. So at this point you have A plus B the whole bar. So if this goes as the input, you get the output as y is equal to A plus B, right? This is the layout diagram for this corresponding circuit diagram of CMOS OR gate. So this is complement of NOR gate, right?